Ricardo and Island walked side by side through the bustling school corridors of Kingston High, their afro curls bouncing with each step. They were 15 years old, and they had been friends since primary school. As they chatted in patois, a shy face caught their attention. A new student, Anthony, who looked lost and alone. "What's up, Ricardo? Look who we got here," Island whispered, nudging him towards the newcomer. Anthony, a bright-eyed English boy with a messy mop of hair, smiled hesitantly as Ricardo and Island approached. "Hey, you new round air?" Ricardo asked, his deep voice warm and friendly. "Welcome to Kingston High, Anthony. What brings you to Jamaica?" Anthony explained that he was an exchange student from England, and he was excited to experience Jamaican culture. Ricardo and Island exchanged a knowing look. They had to make sure this guy felt welcome in their school and their home as they walked to their next class together. Ricardo and Island bombarded Anthony with questions about England and its culture. Anthony's eyes lit up as he shared stories about the London streets and his favorite football team, Manchester United. Ricardo and Island laughed and teased him good-naturedly, making him feel at ease. After school, Ricardo invited Anthony to join them at the beach for the weekend. Island's mom, Mrs. Thompson, offered to cook up some delicious jerk chicken and rice for lunch. As they sat on the beach, watching the sunset over the Caribbean Sea, Anthony felt grateful for his new friends. "Thanks for taking me under your wing, guys," Anthony said, smiling at Ricardo and Island. "I was really nervous about coming here, but YVE made me feel so welcome." Ricardo grinned. "No problem, Mon. We got you back. You're part of the crew now." Island nodded in agreement. "Yeah, we'll show you the real Jamaica experience. You'll see." As the sun dipped below the horizon, the three friends sat in comfortable silence, watching the stars twinkle to life above. They knew that Anthony was going to fit in just fine in Jamaica, thanks to their friendship and hospitality.